Welcome to the Mata Television.
Hi, my name is Christy, aka Nikki CH, and you are watching the Mata TV. On today's episode is Broni Obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? If you really want to know, follow me. Please, can you read my dialect?
How can I read this?
Psalm 23, 1 to 3.
Aurade neme wefo we renia me o mameda wo from adidibea ogia me konusu a eko dwoho odwudwo me kra ode mafa a quantrene so nendiniti.
You got it, bro.
Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Marlene Groenewald.
Nice, do you have a nickname also?
Most of the people call me Maddie, but I prefer MJ.
Okay, please can you read this? Psalm 23 verse 1 to 3.
Okay.
It's about to go down.
Uvrureda nami ufsu wahi ranami oma meda roa froma debi omega me kwasu udwa o wadu mika o wadu mika.
What did you say?
Odi mi fa qua trenesi su ni tinta diniti ni tinta diniti.
Aha.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Hi, please what's your name?
Reese Pagel.
Reese Pagel, okay, do you have a nickname?
They call me Pagel on my surname, so that's basically my nickname.
I was also thinking about Pagel. Can you read Psalm 23, 1 to 3 for me?
Yeah, sure. I can. So, everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Aurade nemes for Hawerenya me o mameda wora from Adidia Bio Ogia me konso odoaka mekra ode mefa aquatreni so ne denti.
You got it, bro. Thank you for the words so sweet.
Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Jean-André.
Jolade, do you have a nickname also?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Psalm 23, 1 to 3.
Awurada neme veso yewi renia me oma meda vura from adubia ogia me ko nusu a ewe do ho odawu mikra ode mefa aquatrine so ne diniti.
Thank you for the words so sweet. Thank you for the words so sweet.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Say this after me.
Okay.
Rufru diapa na yepiao.
Ufru diopa na yafu.
Can you repeat this after me? Rufru diapa na yepiao.
Ufu diapa na yepao.
Well done. Hi, please what's your name?
Yillis.
Yillis, do you have a nickname?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll be saying something and I would like you to repeat it after me.
Okay, well, I'm going to try it.
Wofru diapa na yepiao.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Rufru duap. Sorry. Next.
Wofru diapa na yepiao.
Rufru duapa and a piawu.
Jesus!
Hi, please what's your name?
Maria.
Maria, do you have a nickname?
No.
Okay. Can you repeat after me? Wofru diapa na yepiao.
Sorry.
You can read it here.
Rufru duapa anayapa yo.
Oh my God!
Hi, please what's your name?
Alex.
Alex, do you have a nickname?
Yeah, Brasiskov.
Rosiskov. Okay, interesting. Wofru diapa na yepiao.
Wufu dong pia ane yepu. Ane yepu.
What did you say?
Hi, please what's your name?
I'm Tess.
Tess, do you have a nickname?
Yeah, my real name is Marites, and then my nickname is Tess.
Oh, Martes. Okay, nice name. Repeat this after me. Wofru diapa na yepiao.
Wufu roduapa ana yepiawu.
Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment and share.
Welcome to the Matter Television.